हांवें एंथनी डिसिल्वा फ्रॉम आसोलना मेली. हांवें थोडे दीस पयलो एक व्हिडिओ केल्लो आनी त्या व्हिडिओन हांवें थोड्यो वस्तू सांगलेल्यो विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एसिस्टन्सिया दे गोवा इन पेंजीम and missionaries of charity, Mother Teresa's sisters, that the reason given was not really digestible with respect to Penjim became rich, so they are leaving. Maybe they might have given that in a very sarcastic manner on just to divert the actual issues for which they were living. And that statement given that they are living on their own because of the orders from the highest authority in Kolkata. But later on, I came to know there are a lot of other skeletons behind this statement. Because first video when I had made some basic studies on this. I had done basic inquiries and I had made that video in which my only demand or claim was that if not for the missionaries of charities, okay, let it be given to somebody else who could run a similar institution for the maybe handicapped or elderly senior citizens or unwed mothers or orphans, whatever it is. Let it be used for the poor. But from yesterday I've been seeing certain narratives are being spread in the social media, harping on that one statement that it is the Mother Teresa's sisters have left that institute. It was their just a wish, but beyond that statement nobody wants to go. Now, for example, just blaming them for leaving their premises, not understanding the reasons behind it, it also makes no sense. There are a lot of skeletons behind it. Let us consider these people who are saying Mother Teresa is left on their own and they want to harp on that and put a blame game on them, like as if they have left that place without any reasons. Let us say I have an institute which is belonging to a trust, and after some time I cannot run it. So I invite you people who are trying to make one narrative that Mother Teresa left on their own and you want to show them in default. Let us say I am inviting you all to run the institute and you all come and run the institute, let's say. And imagine after certain years, the benches, the table, the blackboard is getting old, dilapidated, broken. The floor is messed up. The walls are broken. The ceilings are falling. There is leakage. There are no chalks. The fans are not working properly. Those are working properly. They are making noise. And with all this, imagine there are two situations. One, I don't want to repair them as a trustee. Second, I don't allow you to repair it also. Two, the benches are broken, sharp edges are come. I am not allowing you to repair, neither I am repairing it. The floor is dirty and messy and I am not allowing you to clean it. Instead of 3 classrooms, I am making you all to all come into one classroom like a kettle coming inside. And under all these conditions, tell me you people who are trying to put that whole the blame game on Mother Teresa's of charity, that they have left on their own with that simple statement without going through the background of this, not going beyond the simple loving statement. Will you continue in such an institute where I don't allow you to touch anything, don't allow you to repair, don't allow you to even seal those collapsed ceilings or even leakages during rains? Will you continue in such an institution? What will you do? Will you not finally give up on that and leave that institute? Unless and until you are having the soul, mind and the body of the people like missionaries of charities, you people may even go to the court to fight against them. You people may come out with all derogatory statements against the committee people. But this is what Mother Teresa's sisters did not do. Now there is no point in just blaming the ministers and everybody. Fine, they could be behind. But this is the matter between the missionaries of charities and the people who are in the trust. So if these people can settle it down, they should have settled it. And this has been going on, for my knowledge, more than 8-10 years now. How long this will go on? And if there are any forces working behind these trustees, maybe who are the political leaders or influential people, let those trustee people sort it out. Let them get it sorted out. There's no point. And finally, if the way this assistancias, one of the members of this trust says that he was shocked that missionaries of charities suddenly went. It was not a sudden statement made. Keep your hand on your hearts and your souls and talk to it. Was it within 24 hours that this has come up? Was there no discussion before this? Have not they been pleading to the committee people, the trust people? So it was not a sudden development. Definitely not. And now if you people, some of you people think that you all are repenting what has happened, fine. But then you people get the whole structure repaired, renovated, make it completely furbished, and then send an invitation from your side, from the trustees' side, if you really want them to be back, and that is what you all want to say, that you all were shocked. You can come out of that shock by getting this completely renovated, repaired, and send it. As you all say, the first preference will be given to these missionaries of charities. Get it completely repaired and refurbished, and then send the first preferential invitation to the missionaries of charities. That will maybe at least level the damage that has been done. There's no point in blaming them all the time. Which human being, which organization will continue to live with such conditions and still work tirelessly, selflessly? Nobody would want to stay, and that not for 1 or 2 months, not for one rainy season. It has been going on. Last more than 8-10 rainy seasons it's going on. Otherwise, let these people go and see the state of that house. So I hope better sense will prevail. If not, underlining statement. Let that structure be maybe used, maybe all over again, for the similar purpose for which it has been used for so many years. Let it be used for the destitute, the elderly, the senior citizens, the unwed mothers, the parents who have been left on the streets, or for the poor people. So as long as the purpose is served for which this trust was formed. Dev Barakuru, thank you very much.